Imagine, pag dumating ang serious illness, accident, and death, lahat maniningil. Punerarya maniningil, hospital maniningil, critical illness, maniningil yung doktor, maniningil yung therapist, maniningil yung pharmacist. Kung naglalakad siya ng estate tax, maniningil yung accountant, yung lawyer, maniningil yung barangay, maniningil si notary public. Sino pa yung mga maniningil? Pag nangyari ang serious illness, accident, and death, ang daming maniningil. Pero ikaw lang ang mag-aabot ng malaking pera. Sa panahong kailangan na nila. May sasuggest ako na step 1. Ang madalas na step 1 is to insure the breadwinner. Ang suggestion ko na step 1 is to insure every family member. Bakit? Kasi pag may namatay na kahit sinong family member na de-derail ang plans. Alam mo ba yung effect sa isang tao pagka may namatay or may nagkasakit na family member? Emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, financially, physically. Anong kaya niyong gawin? Immediately, marirelieve niyo sila dun sa financial burden. Anong kayang gawin? Physically, gagaan yung nararamdaman nila. Psychologically, emotionally, ganun din. What are you representing? Pagka inabot mo yung malaking pera, protecting them from all the things that might happen kung wala yung malaking pera mo.